Hello friends! Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Andy, and today I would like to share with you a little stationery haul that I got recently. I recently wanted to take my creative journaling a little bit more seriously. So I got a couple of things to help me with that. First off, I got the Hobonichi Avec in the size A6. This is a 6-month planner starting July. It has a monthly spread and a daily pages. Aside from the Hobonichi Avec, I also got a Hobonichi cover to protect my Avec and a Hobonichi cover on cover, which is just a clear cover for the cover. I've said the word cover so many times. Yeah. Aside from the planner, I also got this set of 3 notepads, I believe they're called. They're basically thin notebooks with grid paper, and they have different cover colors, which I find so cute. And I just like having tiny notebooks to jot around ideas whenever I feel like jotting things down. I'd like to keep them in a separate notebook because usually my ideas are like spur of the moment, unorganized thoughts. So I'd like to keep my planner a little bit more organized. Aside from the Hobonichi notebooks and planner, I also got a few Zebra Sarasa pen clips in the color teal, pink, camel yellow, burgundy, purple, and blue-black. Okay. I accidentally ordered 2 of the burgundy, that's why there are 2 swatches of burgundy in this page. So I know it's the middle of July, but I wanted to decorate the start of the month for the planner with a little collage. I've done journaling collages before when I started journaling, I think 2-3 years ago. I never really took journaling seriously until now. But yeah, I really like this journaling style of using stickers and bits and bobs of paper cutouts and forming a collage. My favorite thing about collaging is arranging the elements together in the page. So that's basically what I'm doing here. By the way, most of the stickers you see here are from Abby C. She's been inspiring me quite a bit with journaling lately. I've been binging a lot of her videos recently. So yeah, most of the stickers here are from her. The stickers are printables that you can get for free when you sign up to her email newsletter. When you sign up to her email newsletter, you basically get a starter kit PDF, I think. It's called, I'm not sure, I'm not exactly sure what it's called. It's basically a PDF where she guides you through journaling. And the set of stickers are printables included in that PDF. I just basically scaled it down to an A6 size just so they're smaller and they fit my Hobonichi. I printed them on just your normal sticker paper, and I cut them down with a pair of scissors. The washi tape with the houses is my current favorite washi tape. I just find it so cute. I got it from Shopee. I'll try to link most of the stuff I used in the description so you can check them out. The second washi tape that I used is from Everyday Explorers Co. I'll also link them down below. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!